lot of you were looking forward to this detailed walk around video of this 2022 RSV4 factory and ultra dark, including myself. A lot of the parts on this bike were inspired by the RSV4X. Can't wait to show this to you guys. And of course, towards the end of this video, I'm gonna give you some onboard footage so you can see what this bike looks and sounds like while riding. Let's get right into it. So, what was inspired by the RSV4X that we have in the shop? I'll paste a quick video of that one here. Only 10 in the world. This is number 9. Comes with the Aprilia Racing carbon fiber caliper coolers. Comes with the Spider Racing rear sets, engine protection, lever guard, Spider Racing parts, Spider Racing rear sets, Spider Racing engine covers, Spider Racing front brake lever guard. This is the Evo version, which is all billet aluminum, and it has this angle to it for easy rider exit. Spider folding and adjustable levers. Let's take a look at the left side rear set. This is the standard shift pattern. I personally love these rear sets because of how thick they are and how firm they feel when you're on the bike, especially when riding aggressively, say at the track. You want that firm feedback from the bike. Carbon fiber heel guards. Let's look at the left side. We love this very adjustable Spider clutch lever and the Spider keyless black gas cap. You can find all those things except for the levers on Aprilia Racing RSV4X, and a very similar exhaust. This is not the full titanium system seen on the RSV4X, but it does look very similar and sound similar. This is the slip-on open system. This is the race version. I'll turn it on for you guys in a second. Also optional was the carbon fiber Akrapovic exhaust bracket. These you have probably never seen before, at least not in person. These no-cut frame sliders, these are by Evotech. Not Evotech Performance, but a different Evotech out of Italy, I believe. The Evotech Performance you're used to is out of the UK, I think. These, they come with different colored inner pieces. We chose black, of course, on this bike. What else do we see on this bike? Mirror block-offs by Lightech. That's as sleek as you're gonna find them, unless you can get your hands on the Aprilia versions, which have been long discontinued. Aprilia Racing carbon fiber front brake caliper coolers were added, also seen on the RSV4X. Carbon fiber front hugger, which by the way, it's not finished. I still need to apply the decal, but I have a question for you guys. I already know what he prefers because I just asked him, but do you think the Be a Racer decal would look best, or the Aprilia Racing? What do you guys think? Let me know. I'll show you at the end what he chose. What else? Rizoma bar and mirror. This thing looks so badass, doesn't it? Looks like a land shark. Let's take a look at that left side. Rizoma Spy R mirror. You already know it's my favorite. Look at that. Billet aluminum housing. The highest quality glass I've seen on aftermarket mirrors, and it's very adjustable, very firm in those directions, spins all the way 360 degrees, super adjustable. Love that mirror. Very low profile as well. Fender eliminator, non-existent. That's how Matt likes it. By the way, thank you very much, Matt. I'm gonna tell you guys a quick story on how this bike came to be. Matt was really kind enough to trust me and trust us with reselling his Panigale V4 SP recently. We sold it at a great price, and originally he was going to order a 2022 Panigale V4S out of our shop in Santa Barbara, but he walked in one day, actually the day after his SP sold. He saw this in the showroom. Excited, Matt?
Yeah, very excited.
And the following day, we pretty much had it as you see here, and he took this home instead, and he's absolutely loving it. So this is round 2 of our upgrades install, where we added the Spider Racing bits that were not in stock when he originally bought the bike. So he also has the integrated front turn signals in the headlight by way of the Gabbro Racing Team race map through the UpMap T800 Plus device. We love those. Gabbro develops some of the best maps for Aprilia, as you already know. Why don't we turn this thing on for you guys, huh? Let's do it. Almost forgot, he also got one of our custom little keychains. I didn't rev it too much, but it still sounded freaking awesome. And you know what else I almost forgot, guys? One of the biggest mods to this thing, if you didn't already notice, is the all black forged lightweight wheels. So this bike comes with the very gold wheels. I know a lot of you guys prefer the gold wheels on this bike. I do think the gold wheels look awesome, but what Matt did with this bike with the all black theme, I think he just nailed it. This thing is just badass. That describes it best. So what am I forgetting, guys? Post comments, questions below. You know, this bike comes with these gold accents. He removed the gold decals from the inside of the fins. Heads up, if you guys are going to try to do that with any of these new Aprilias, even the other colors, those decals are very tough to get off. It's going to take some time. You're going to have to use some heat and some kind of glue removing chemical, but he was able to do that, and looks very stealthy. Little touches of gold here and there on the Aprilia logos. I'm just loving this thing. What am I forgetting? Coming up next for this bike is carbon fiber rear hugger, and we'll remove this chain guard, and I think that's it. And then he's going to join us at Laguna Seca in 3 weeks time at the Aprilia Racers Days. Enough yapping, let's get on this bike and let's see how it sounds and looks from the cockpit. Let's do it. So this bike is still being broken in, so we're going to keep the revs where they should be. Still sounds awesome. It's one reason why we ride motorcycles around here. Look at this beautiful day. At least I get to do a little bit of this for work. This bike, for being so, you know, Darth Vader blacked out, is turning a lot of heads. Beautiful bike, beautiful day, can't complain. Now let's see if we can get to the front of this line safely. All right, look at this bike, it's gorgeous. Here's your cockpit view with the spider levers, spider lever guard, Rizoma Spy R bar and mirror. The ergonomics on this RSV4 are so good for me, and these rear sets. Cockpit view. Easy, very dangerous section of this road. The whole PCH, really. Holy mother of wow! that acceleration will always impress. Let's see if we can hear this Akrapovic. This bike is bad. Bad. Thanks for watching, y'all. If you have any questions, comments, requests, I'm quick to answer. See you in the next one.